This is going to be a video tutorial on how to access the developer tools in the LibreWolf web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the LibreWolf web browser opened up now. To access your developer tools, it's very easy to do. You want to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says More Tools and click on More Tools. Then you'll go straight up to where it says Web Developer Tools. The keyboard shortcut is Ctrl plus Enter plus I. I'm going to click on Web Developer Tools. And on mine, I have it docked to the very bottom. You could always change the position where it's docked. Over to the right hand side of the developer tools, there's a 3-dot hamburger menu. If you click on that, you can dock it to the bottom, you could dock it to the right, you could dock it to the left, or you could open it in a separate window. I'm going to leave mine docked to the bottom. But across the top here you have tabs. The first one is Inspector, the second one is Console, the third one is Debugger, the fourth is Network, then Style Editor, then Performance, Memory, Storage, Accessibility, Application, and I have AdBlock installed on my browser, so that one is there too. That is how to access the developer tools in LibreWolf. Thanks for watching.